Intercaste marriages most of the time is the love marriage. There are many couples, those who fall in love, but while falling in love, they never know what is the caste or region of their partner. Love is the emotion that naturally arises in the life of a person. If a person loves their lover, they will do every possible thing to bring them into their love life. But caste is that thing which always creates the trouble in the love marriage. Intercaste love marriage specialist Baba Ajmer Wale ji is the one who never let such problems stay in the life of a person for longer. Once a person starts performing his astrological remedies, the change will start showing in front of them. People take many astrological solutions for intercaste love marriage problem solutions. Intercaste love marriage specialist is aware and experienced of the Vashikaran. Vashikaran is the powerful form of the magic that can make impossible things possible, thus making dream of intercaste love marriage become true with this magic. Baba Ajmer Wali ji can solve below mentioned problems of the couple, those who are struggling for love marriage, getting approval of parents for love marriage, solving the financial problem that something come in the intercaste love marriage, caste, region, creed, kundli do not match, partner start refusing for love marriage. Other than this, there are many problems that one can solve with the Vashikaran. Vashikaran is one of the possible ways for solving intercaste marriage problems. Intercaste love marriage specialist can make anything possible. His remedies has such a positive result on the life of a person. Baba Ajmer Wale ji today is the reason of happiness among many people. No one knows when the life of a person get changed. Intercaste love marriage will no longer can become the reason of tough thought among the person with astrology. There are many problems that one can solve with his astrological remedies. So never worry about intercaste love marriage as it will become possible with astrology. If you want solution of intercaste love marriage, contact us immediately. Contact number +91 9748 503900 +91 9748 298092, and please check out our official website www.babaajmerwale.com.